In Chinese wedding banquet, it is common to enjoy a dozen delicious dishes. Among them, the one that surprises me the most is lobster slices over pieces of fruit in a rich white sauce. Here is my version with prawns instead of lobster. Start by preparing the sauce. In a bowl, put 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of mascarpone, half teaspoon of salt, half tablespoon of sugar, a zest of a lime, 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Combine. Also add some ground pepper. Mix again. The sauce is ready. Keep it in the fridge. Shell 500 grams of prawns. Cut them into chunks. Cut all fruits and vegetables into pieces. Half a pear. Half an apple. Half a mango. Half a grapefruit. Cut into 10 grapes. And 10 cherry tomatoes. Detach the flesh of 10 lychees. Cut a small piece of red pepper into cubes. Cut into chunks 2 avocados. Add half a tablespoon of lime juice. Mix. Add the prawns. Combine. Add the sauce. Mince 5 grams of cilantro. Add them too. You can grill a few slices of butter bread. Let both sides grill for about 4 to 5 minutes over medium-low heat. Serve the dish either in small bites or bowls. Top with a small piece of dill or cilantro. Bon appétit! The contrast is delicious between the salty and umami of the prawns, the crunch and the sweetness of the fruits, and the lemony sauce. Thank you, and see you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.